Hi everyone, Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 9/22/2024, the stock was PDD. This happened on Monday the 16th. Strategy is based on a daily major support area with a 60-minute wide body bar, entry on a 1-minute B the tail. The management was advanced and reward to risk 3.0 to 1. There were actually two different entries on this. Let's take a look. But first, as usual, let's take a look what's available for free members this week at DTS. First of all, we have the bi-weekly scanning night on Monday. You can come join us. If you're a member, you will get your invites automatically. If you're not a member, go over to the DTS homepage and find out how you become a free member at DTS to get all kinds of great educational information. And next on Friday will be the Introduction to Mastering Technical Analysis course. This is the first course of the seminar program, but everyone is invited to this one. It's 4.5 hours, well worth your time. It's a very educational event. I guarantee you, you will learn a few things, even if you've been in the market for many years. This was PDD daily chart. The day I looked at and scanned before the trade actually happened, the daily chart looked like this. Not a real big deal, except we do have this area down in here, which I like, that attracted me to it. I don't like the way we got there, but this is not a swing trade, it's a day trade, and the 60-minute chart sealed the deal for me. So all that's going to happen here is we're going to open right there. That's what it looks like. I do want you to note, however, that's a very normal size daily bar, actually smaller than normal to make the profit that was made. You don't have to have crazy volatile stocks you can't handle. Trade normal, boring things and find out how to enter properly. Here's the 60-minute chart. This is what I really scanned and loved. This wide body bar right here coming off that daily major support area. And then we hold sideways in a tight pattern. The next morning we're going to open a little bit weak. I'm going to jump in pretty aggressively off that low, assuming we're going to move higher. So not a whole lot to learn there. The 5-minute chart will show us a little bit more. We're going to open right there, of course, no big deal, just kind of a flat open, but then we shoot lower, which is what I love to see in a setup like this when you're playing on support. Going to grab it close as I can off the bottom there on that way up, entry 94.27, stop 93.25, and then it didn't go all that far on the first pop, but I took a second entry right in there at 94.61, stop 93.89. Trade's underway. And you can see that it went sideways for a while, kind of a little worried about it, and then just blasted off. Did a good job with the target there. Target 1 at 95.90, got that whole move. Target 2, I trailed out right in there. It did go a little bit higher. No complaints about the targets, though. Did just fine. And you can see a little more detail here on the 1-minute chart on the entries. Opening right there. Entry number 1 right in there, just kind of grabbing it on the way up after that red bar as quick as I could. Entry number 2 came over that little bar right there. A little later than I would have wanted, but I thought it was going to take off right there. It ends up pulling back. Targets are off the chart, of course, because this is a 1-minute chart, and the chart here ends at about 10:45. For trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can find out more about it on the webpage. Email me if you like. I focus on just a couple, 3 trades every day, and most all the trades are done early in the morning. And then we chill the rest of the day or just manage the positions. For some of them, they're open. This one lasted through lunch. Sometimes they're done earlier, sometimes they last all day. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.